This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. Bear visitation this past summer. My wife was observing this. Yesterday, Joey was in the pool. When I walked out of the house to see where he was, "Hey, Joey, don't move. There's a bear standing outside of the pool right behind you." Joey never noticed the bear. Upon realizing the bear was there, Joey tried jumping out on the side of the pool. He couldn't. I started yelling, and the bear just stared and stood his ground. Joey picked up the brush, used to clean the pool, smacked the water, and the bear backed into the woods. Joey was able to get out of the pool at that moment. I called Jason, my son. He came out and noticed the bear in the woods. The bear walked around Jason's place to the back of our trash cans. He kept walking around until he finally left back into the woods. Crazy and exciting. I believe this is the same bear that snatched the chicken out of my chicken coop 2 years ago. You can see that video, Bear Adventures. I respect and love what nature has to offer. To appreciate and maintain a healthy environment is a good thing to do. This definitely was an experience. Ever since my bear encounter, I have been looking over my shoulder and into the woods. Bears have good camouflage. Still, life goes on,